Hello, welcome friends. Me Anila. The topic of my discussion is about detection of compound by electronic configuration and percentages. But before this, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon. First of all, what is electronic configuration? In an atom, there are three subatomic particles: proton, neutron and electron. Proton carries positive charge, neutron is neutral in charge, electron is negatively charged. The proton and neutron occupies the center of atom called nucleus, while electron carrying negative charge revolves around the nucleus. So the way in which electron revolves around the nucleus is called electronic configuration. In this video, I will tell you how to detect compound if electronic configuration and percentages of atom in a compound are known. Example: an unknown compound has three elements with electronic configuration. We have unknown compound. We don't know what is the molecular formula of compound. It has three elements. Electronic configuration of each element is given. First is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2 with 40.9% percentage of element is given. Second is 1s1 with 4.54%. Second electronic configuration with percentages given. Third element is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4 with percentages 54.545%. Molecular weight is 176 gram per mole. We have to identify the compound. We have to detect the compound. So electronic configuration of three elements are given and their percentages of atom in a compound are given. We have to detect compound. Molecular weight is also given. Here S orbital is spherical in shape, P orbital is dumbbell in shape, D orbital is clover leaf shape, and F orbital is complex in shape. As you can see, the first element has 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. So total of 6 electrons, 2 plus 2 plus 2, it becomes 6 electrons. In a neutral atom, electrons and protons are equal. So that means it has 6 protons. So 6 is the atomic number of carbon. So the first element is carbon. Second is 1s1, only one electron in s orbital. It is hydrogen. Third element 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. We will add 2 plus 2 plus 4, it becomes 8. That means in a neutral atom there are 8 protons. So it is oxygen because oxygen atomic number is 8. First element is carbon, second is hydrogen, third is oxygen. We have identified the elements. Now by their percentages we will calculate molecular formula of compound. Solution. First element is carbon as I have already discussed earlier. Second element is hydrogen and third element is oxygen. Now we will convert percentages into moles. For this we will take percentages as grams as amount and convert them into moles. First we will calculate moles of carbon. First element is carbon. 40.9% we will take percentage into grams. So 40.9 gram divided by 12 gram per mole is the atomic weight of carbon. After solving, the moles of carbon is calculated to be 3.4 moles. Now moles of hydrogen 4.54 gram divided by 1 gram per mole, it is the atomic weight of hydrogen. So moles of hydrogen is calculated to be 4.54 moles. Now moles of oxygen, we will take percentage as gram. 54.545 gram divided by 16 gram per mole. 16 gram per mole is the atomic weight of oxygen. After solving, moles of oxygen is calculated to be 3.4 moles. Now we have detected the elements, we have calculated moles of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Now we will compare the mole ratios. Now carbon is to hydrogen is to oxygen. We will write their moles. Carbon is 3.4 moles, hydrogen is 4.54 moles, oxygen is 3.4 moles. Because 3.4 moles is less than 4.54 moles, so we will divide all these 3 moles by 3.4. We get 1 is to 1.33 is to 1. Now, this 1 and 1 is whole number, but 1.33 is in fractions. So we have to find the whole number. So we will multiply first by 2, but by multiplying by 2, we cannot get the whole number. So we will multiply it by 3, we get 3 is to 3.99 is to 3. 3.99 is approximately equal to 4. So 3 is to 4 is to 3. So carbon is 3, hydrogen is 4, oxygen is 3. So C3H4O3 is the empirical formula of the unknown compound. We have calculated empirical formula. Now we will calculate empirical formula weight. So 3 is the number of carbon atom into 12 is the atomic weight of carbon plus 4 is the number of hydrogen atom into 1 is the atomic weight of hydrogen plus 3 is the number of oxygen atom into 16 is the atomic weight of oxygen. After solving, empirical formula weight is calculated to be 88 gram per mole. Empirical formula means simplest formula and molecular formula means actual formula. We have calculated empirical formula weight. Molecular weight is already given in the example. So we will calculate value of N is equal to 176 gram per mole divided by 88 gram per mole is equal to 2. So the N value is 2. Now we will calculate molecular formula. We will apply the formula. Molecular formula is equal to N into empirical formula, that is C3H4O3. Put the value of N2 into C3H4O3. We will multiply 2 3 are 6, 6 carbon, 2 4 are 8, 8 hydrogen, 2 3 are 6, 6 oxygen. So C6H8O6 is the molecular formula of unknown compound and the compound is ascorbic acid. So in this way, by the help of electronic configuration and percentages, we have detected the compound. Compound is ascorbic acid, that is vitamin C. So friends, if you have any question, you can ask me on comments. I can help you. Thanks.